The cryptocurrency market is abuzz with news that the Chicago Board Options Exchange will become the first traditional exchange to open trading for Bitcoin futures this Sunday. Bitcoin has taken off here in South Korea as well, and local regulators are taking notice. Jung-hwan follows us this report.
South Korea is one of the world's largest Bitcoin markets, with about 1 million people trading the digital currency. According to the New York Times on Sunday, although the population of Korea is only 1/6 of the United States, Korean won-based accounts for some virtual currencies such as Ripple and Bitcoin Cash account for more trading than US dollar-based accounts. It was on South Korean exchanges that the price of Bitcoin first hit $10,000 last Monday, hours before traders in the United States reached the same level. The growth of the Korean cryptocurrency market is even more remarkable, as just a year ago such markets barely existed in Korea. But as the popularity of Bitcoin has grown rapidly in Korea, so have the risks. Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon expressed concern last week, saying that the rising Bitcoin use could lead to serious social problems if left unaddressed. Currently, such exchanges in Korea are largely unregulated, as virtual currencies are not recognized as financial products under the current law.
In the case of New York, virtual currency exchanges are regulated in the form of a registration and license system. But in Korea, anyone who has an online shopping mall license can freely open a virtual exchange office. So in a sense, there's no such regulations.
South Korean regulators have announced a ban on so-called initial coin offerings, in which entrepreneurs sell custom virtual currencies. But the country needs further measures, such as those in place in Japan, to protect buyers and prevent virtual currencies from being used as a tool for money laundering.
Japan has now changed to a registration system, meaning official approval from the government is needed to open a virtual currency exchange office.
Virtual currency trading in Korea doesn't have the same regulatory infrastructure as the United States and Japan. But the Korean government has planned new regulations involving bank account registration for virtual currency traders. These regulations come into effect at the start of June next year. Jung-hwan, Arirang News.